Wait a minute. Okay, today is the 29th of April 2022.
Down.
Yeah.
Or,
K and 4 and K.
yeah.
We have Tietotalo, part of the Hervanta Campus of the University of Tampere University Hervanta Campus, Finland. And this was built in late 2000, finished in 2001. I Otis with 1,000 pictures with 4 floors, and this number is the one in the 2937. Testing size pictures of 600 grams, and it's going to be inspected this year, 2022. And the other one with 5 floors was also late 2000.
Yeah.
But, yeah. But finished in 2001, according to the taps in the toilets.
Yeah.
So this is the turn of the year 2000 and 2001. Let's take a see. Nice scenic elevator.
Yeah.
Well, the one which near from 1977 are the best ones here.
Yeah.
You can close that door. Floor 2 is used as the main floor, the green floor here.
Yeah.
It's fast enough. I like this on the floor 1.
Yeah.
You can press 2 when we go there. That's a nice atrium here.
Yeah.
Second floor, green floor could have been with the green light.
Yeah.
Let's go back there. I like the sounds in here.
Same.
That's it, and thank you very much.
Spectate park-wise maintained platform.
Yeah. That's it.
That's